In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Asana to run your household. By the end, you'll have a simple, organized system to keep chores, shopping, bills, oil, and family routines all in one place. First, open Asana in your browser or the desktop app and sign in. This is your home base for organizing work and, in our case, household life. Once you're in, look to the left-hand sidebar and find projects. If your sidebar is collapsed, expand it so you can see the projects section clearly. This is where all your organized spaces live, so creating the right project is the key to keeping everything on track. Next, create a new project. You'll see an option to start something from scratch. This lets you build a dedicated home command center. Think of it as your family hub where every recurring task and to-do has a place. You'll land on a screen where you can browse options. This is helpful if you want inspiration or a framework, but for a faster start, we're going to use Asana's built-in AI to do the heavy lifting for us. Click Create with AI. Asana's AI will generate a project structure for you based on a short prompt. In the message field, type, create a household management. Keep it simple and clear. If you want to guide the structure a little more, you can add brief details like include chores, grocery planning, bill reminders, and home maintenance. But even the basic phrase is enough to get a solid starting point. The goal is to let the AI produce a ready-to-use layout you can tweak later. Now, give it a moment to load. You'll see Asana assemble the project with suggested sections and tasks. This is the part where patience pays off. It's building a framework that saves you time, so you don't have to think through every category from scratch. When it's ready, select Go to Project. Your new household management space will open with a clear structure, typically grouped into logical areas like weekly chores, errands, and reminders. From here, you can start using it right away. Add the tasks your home needs, adjust names to match how your family talks about things, and remove anything that doesn't fit. The AI gives you a head start, your edits make it yours. That's it. You've created a centralized, easy-to-manage household system in Asana using just a few clicks and a short prompt. Keep it open during the week, and you'll feel the difference in clarity and consistency.